Check out this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger airbag sensor, power door locks, split bench seat, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, and driver airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.